first annual Wellderness, and here we are in Estes Park, Colorado.
Come enjoy the weather, come enjoy the people, the crowd is fun. It's just a great excuse to get out, be active, and be well.
My name is Jeremy Bloom, and welcome to the first Wilderness event. Leave your cell phones at home. What I love to do is being outside nature, keeping our bodies and minds active.
We've got a 10K, we've got a 6K, yoga, and a full wellness expo up at the convention hall. This is probably the most beautiful day of the spring. We've got a couple hundred runners here today, and they're from Michigan, they're from Germany, they're from Illinois. Wellness in the wilderness. We couldn't have asked for anything better. It's great that everybody could make it up here today.